Hi, Sara Levin, theartfulinker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and as promised yesterday on my blog, I'm here with a video for how to make the Good Morning Magnolia gift bag, gift box, favor, whatever you'd like to call it, that I shared yesterday. So let's flip this camera over and get to the good stuff. So yesterday on my blog, I shared this cute gift box, gift bag favor, and as promised, here is the video to show you how to make this. It is super simple. So I used the upcoming Good Morning Magnolia stamp set to adorn the front, along with some background stamping from Artisan Textures. And then I used the Magnolia dies to cut things out. I'm just going to show you how to make the box here, and then I'll show you the completed one of these on my blog, theartfulinker.com. So we're going to start with the cardstock in landscape. I will have a download for you with all of the measurements. So we're going to score across. We'll get our tab first. And then here's the side panel and the front panel and the other side panel. And then flip this, and we need to score for the bottom. And then for the top. Okay, let me put my trimmer out of the way, and we're going to cut some pieces away. And grab my scissors. Now, if you can see this tab here, I'm going to take a diagonal cut here and then kind of miter as I come up the side here. And same thing with diagonal cut here. And then let me think real quickly. That's the back, so this is the front. So I'm going to cut this piece away entirely. And then I'm going to cut all of this away. Okay, and while I'm here, we're just going to miter this slightly. And same thing on this side, give it a slight miter. And then come down here, and I like to miter all of my bottom tabs a little bit. And so as I cut between them, I go ahead and cut that miter all in one stroke. There we go. Let's sweep this out of the way. Put my scissors out of the way. And before I start, I'm going to use the punch here and punch this corner. And then flip this and punch this corner. Move that out of the way. And now let's burnish some score lines. I like to give this a little soft rounding. Okay. For my adhesive, I'm using the multi-purpose glue on this short tab. And then I'm bringing this end across. And want to make sure that you're lined up top and bottom. And the glue gives you a little bit of wiggle room so that you can line that up. Okay, tuck the two short tabs in and add glue on both of those. And I'm going to bring that to the edge of my table, which I think you cannot see, and stick my bone folder in just to make sure that was down completely. And the same thing here. And then just stick my bone folder in. Okay. Put my glue away. Now, I didn't score the sides, and what you're going to want to do is take this slowly and gently, and you're just meeting those two corners up at the top. And give them just a little press, and that's enough. And the same thing here. I don't need a gusset to go all the way down. I just want to bring those two corners slowly and gently together. Help a little bit here on the side. And then you're just going to give that a gentle squeeze. And then this piece tucks right in the top. And there you go. And that's finished. If some of my ideas cause you to make some purchases with Stampin' Up!, I would love for you to make those purchases in my store. This is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, at theartfulinker.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then hop on over to my blog to see what I'm sharing and to shop with me. Thanks. Bye.